Okay, good afternoon. I am Skhumbuzo Manganye, the Acting Chief Director responsible for curriculum development programs in the Department of Education, KZN. I'm responsible for, among others, 4 directorates, one of which is governance and management, teacher development, math science and technology, and ICT. And lastly, ELITS, education libraries and information technology. The program we are busy with here is the Train the Trainer on the Basic Education Laws Amendment Act number 32 of 2024. This act has been published and it became effective from the 24th of December 2024. It means now the Bella Act is now effective. It amends certain provisions of the South African Schools Act. As people would recall that the South African Schools Act was last amended in 2011 in terms of the Basic Education Laws Amendment Act number 15 of 2011. Now, what will happen then, the Bella Act will be integrated into the main act, which is the South African Schools Act, and then it will become an amended, it will include the amended sections therein. What we are doing here, or the significance of this act, is that among other things, it amends provisions pertaining to learner admissions, that is section 4. It vests the head of department with the final authority after consultation with the SGB to determine the language, the admission policy of the school. And section 5 deals with the language policy. Once again, based on the court judgments that we went through as the basic education sector, such as the Rivonia Primary School judgment, the MLO, Hoërskool MLO judgment, all of which confirmed that the head of department has the final authority on learner admissions and also on the language policy. Among other matters also that are important, which are brought about by the changes that are brought about by this act, they pertain to the Learners Code of Conduct. It indicates serious offenses that may lead to learner expulsion. It also prohibits disruption of schools. It criminalizes that anybody who disrupts schools will be charged criminally. It also provides quite a number of changes, like introducing grade R as an entry grade, that a learner who is 4 years, turning 5 by June, can be admitted in grade R. It has changed the compulsory school-going age because now it's 6 years. 6 years up until the learner turns 15 or reaches grade 9, whichever comes first. So those are some of the important provisions. It also, the Bella Act amends the Employment of Educators Act. For instance, it prohibits officials or employees of the department from conducting business with the state, and such offenses or such misconduct may lead to expulsion or dismissal of the employees. So those